Hello everyone, I'm Emily LaPlante. I'm an undergraduate majoring in anthropology and primate behavior and ecology. I was awarded the Farrell Research Scholarship for the winter and spring quarters of this year. Through that scholarship, my research has focused on Trench 1504 of the Sanders site out on the Yakima Training Center. This site was originally excavated in 1972 by Dr. William Smith and students from his field school. This is shown in Figure 1, which is an original photo from that excavation. It was excavated in 1 by 1 meter units, which can be seen in the map in Figure 2A, and every 10 centimeters they dug down then became a level. My interests are specifically in levels 9 through 15, which date to about 3,000 years ago. This time range is known as the Frenchman Springs Phase, and was marked by cooler temperatures and wetter weather than we have today. It was also a transitional time period from hunter-gatherer societies to semi-sedentary societies. The Sanders site is located in the higher plateau area. This means it would have been a satellite camp away from the main camp, which would have been located by the river. This site was used for hunting and food processing. Therefore, there has been a significant amount of bone, lithics, and firecrack rock recovered from the site. My research thus far has consisted of organizing and sorting the lithics and bone from the site and then mapping them to create a visual representation of the site's distribution of these items. This is demonstrated in Figures 5A and 5B. I've also organized the field notes as well as photos from the excavation. I've already identified 4 features and activity areas that tell us about the butchering and cooking of animals. A map of these features is shown in Figure 2C. No ground stone tool associated with plant processing has been identified here, which may indicate a fall occupation of this site. For the lithics, there's a unique combination of small contracting stem arrow points with medium-sized leaf-shaped dart points. This can be seen in Figure 4B. These, as well as many other modified rocks, were found at this site. Overall, there's still a lot of work to be done at this site, but the bone and stone tool distributions can tell us a lot about the uses of this camp. This project has been an incredible opportunity, and I would like to thank my mentor, Dr. Hackenberger, as well as Dr. McCutcheon, for their guidance and support. I would also like to thank my peers Riley Chadwick and Luke Weston for their help on this project, from all their hard work in the lab to just keeping me grounded throughout the process. They have been irreplaceable. And lastly, I thank you all for listening to my presentation.